Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're putting two popular countertop ice makers head-to-head, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Electactic Ice Maker. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is known for its impressive ice production capacity of 35 pounds per day, producing soft, chewable nugget ice in just 7 to 10 minutes. It's perfect for those who love to enjoy refreshing drinks with nugget ice. On the other hand, we have the Electactic Ice Maker, a budget-friendly option that produces bullet-shaped ice cubes, capable of making 9 cubes in just 6 minutes and producing 26 pounds of ice per day. Both machines feature self-cleaning functions, making maintenance a breeze. But how do they stack up against each other in terms of price, design, and overall performance? Let's dive in and find out. When it comes to price, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $189, which is significantly higher than the Electactic Ice Maker, which retails for just $89. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option without compromising on functionality. In terms of ice production, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker leads the pack with an impressive output of 35 pounds of nugget ice per day, compared to the Electactic Ice Maker, which produces 26 pounds of bullet ice. If you frequently host gatherings or need a steady supply of ice, the EUHOMY might be the better choice for you. When it comes to design, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker features a sleek stainless steel finish, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. In contrast, the Electactic Ice Maker has a more portable design with a black plastic exterior, making it easier to move around. Depending on your kitchen aesthetics and space, one may suit your needs better than the other. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Electactic Ice Maker have their unique strengths. The EUHOMY offers higher ice production and a premium design, while the Electactic provides a more affordable and portable option. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.